Welcome. If you're struggling with affiliate marketing, this video is for you. We're going to talk about why you feel buried, not behind. If you've watched 50 videos about affiliate marketing and still haven't earned a commission, the problem isn't that you missed the right video. The problem is that you watched 50. Beginners think they have a knowledge problem. They believe they need more information. They actually have a clarity problem. The knowledge trap is believing that the next course or video holds the secret key to success. Every new piece of content you consume adds another disconnected piece to your mental framework. None of these isolated tips or tricks connect into a functional, reliable system. You have pieces, not a pipeline. So what does a simple, effective affiliate system actually look like? It only needs 3 parts. The entire process must be a connected flow. You need a way to get attention, a page that builds trust, and a link that earns the commission. Part 1 is your method of getting attention. This could be a video, a short post, or a direct message. Its only job is to stop the scroll and attract your ideal user. The goal of this first step is purely to attract and qualify the right person who is interested in what you have to offer next. This attention-getting piece then needs to guide the user immediately to the next step, the page that builds trust. Part 2 is a page that builds trust. This could be a simple landing page, a blog post, or a review. The user is now engaging with your content. The purpose here is to educate the prospect, qualify them as a genuine lead, and build a relationship based on value before you ask for a sale. Once trust is established and the user is educated, they are ready for the final step, the commission link. Part 3 is the affiliate link itself. This is where the magic happens and the transaction takes place. This step's only purpose is conversion. Because you built attention and trust, the user is already pre-sold and ready to click the link. Remember the flow. Attention leads to trust, and trust leads to commission. It is a seamless, connected process. Stop collecting disconnected knowledge and start building a simple, working system. I want you to ask yourself right now, do you have 3 connected steps or 30 disconnected ideas? I put together a simple breakdown of how these 3 parts work together. You can find the link in the description.